All right, we're here. This is a one level, just like the other one that his buddy showed me. And this guy, I had did another house for him last year, and it seems like he likes messing with these little houses. Hey, I ain't mad at him. You know what I mean? They take less time to remodel. You know, you get in and get out quick and flip that money. Look, looks like he put in the garage or remodeled the garage. I'm sure the foundation in the house was here. He probably bought the house like he did the last one and flipped it again. Yeah, because it looks like he put all new walls up on the inside based on this dumpster. You know, he probably gutted this house like he did the other one and totally remodeled it. That's what it looked like, and painted it. I'm certain that's what happened. But the screens are quite nasty, but I'm not doing the screens. I'm not doing the screens. I'm just doing the windows because that's all he's paying me for. So I'll have to take these screens out. He's not here yet, so y'all just walk around with me and I'm gonna give him a price. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I don't know if he want that little garage done up there, that little garage window. I'm gonna assume that he doesn't, because I am not climbing up there and taking that screen out. That's for darn sure. No ladders for me, buddy. 12, 14. I see a little overspray on that. And there's a bunch of overspray on this too. Yes, hasn't been on there long. Oops, look at that. We got fake cutouts amongst other things, and then we got a piece missing. So I'm gonna have to let him know that if he doesn't already. I don't need to get blamed for nothing. 12, 14. I'm gonna just count that as one. But I have to get the paint off. 14. 16, 18. 18. 20, 22, 24. Oh, look at that. Is this a house or a garage? The way they got this set up. Oh, I imagine he's going to want these done now that I'm looking at it. So, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34. All right, so we really got like 38, 40 windows. If we're going to count each one of those little boxes. I don't get too much involved in all that. I usually just take my best judgment and see how long it takes me. I don't count up those little boxes and charge by the little box. I know some of you have a pricing sheet for stuff like that, but I really don't get into all that. So 40 windows in and out. Construction cleanup, but it ain't much construction wise, but there's more paint than anything. I see a few stickers in the corner right there, but that's no big deal. What's happening? Were you working here today or no?
What's happening? I had to do a job, man.
So what are you doing now? You left the job to come work here?
Finished the job.
Oh, that was good timing then.
Yeah. Hi, Shenanigans, brother.
Yeah, I took a
me up, man.
walk around. You got some overspray paint on there, but I kind of expected that.
Scratchy, little scratchy. Need a fucking scratchy.
What about this?
Don't worry about this bitch.
You don't worry about the garage, right?
Come on, thank you. When you can hit him up, man. You get your fucking music.
Yeah, but I mean, I ain't gonna just do it for free.
I understand what you're doing for free, but you know.
But yeah, I just didn't. Oh, watch yourself. I just didn't know if you wanted these done, but I assume. Yeah, I got one of those.
Clean me up, brother, man. Clean me up. Make it look pretty.
And the frames.
Market soon.
Got to get all that too, right? You want all that framework stuff.
You can get in there. Not too crazy in the garage. Don't worry about the garage.
I mean, I got a cobweb brush and stuff, but
thing, you know what I mean?
I mean, you know, there's certain degrees of cleanliness, you know.
Right. Well, just
you know,
I this back here. Then you gotta make them look pretty.
Okay. All right. Yeah. No.
And I don't expect you to get up in the attic for that glass there.
Oh.
The glass in the attic.
Okay. All right. No worries. All right.
This side up front, the very front. They're brand new, and this one right here is brand new windows.
Okay.
All the other ones are fucking.
Do they all fold in, or you didn't? You're not sure.
The other ones fold in. They just rub it down.
Okay. All right. No big deal.